Sky's Angel Reese won't start in WNBA All Star Game after finishing one spot out. Chicago Sky star Angel Reese will have to wait another week to see if she's selected as an All-Star for the second consecutive season. The second-year forward was not one of the 10 starters named Monday for the 2025 WNBA All Star Game on July 19 in Indianapolis. After last year's game ahead of the Paris Olympics pitted Team USA against a team of non-Olympian All-Stars, the All-Star Game will return to a standard format this year. The teams will be captained by Indiana Fever guard Caitlin Clark and Minnesota Lynx forward Nafisa Collier, who received the most votes from fans. Voting for the starters, 4 guards and 6 frontcourt players, was weighted among 3 groups: fans, 50%, players, 25%, and media, 25%. Joining Clark and Collier are guards Paige Buchers, Dallas Wings, Alicia Gray, Atlanta Dream, and Sabrina Ionescu, New York Liberty, and frontcourt players Aaliyah Boston, Fever, Nneka Ogwumike, Seattle Storm, Satu Sabali, Phoenix Mercury, Brianna Stewart, Liberty, and Aya Wilson, Las Vegas Aces. Reese finished 7th among frontcourt players with a weighted score of 7.75. Sabali was 6th at 6.5. Reese was 5th in fan voting for the frontcourt but 12th in both player and media voting. The remaining 12 All-Star spots will be selected by the league's 13 head coaches, with 3 slots for guards, 5 for frontcourt players and 4 positionless selections. The reserves will be announced Sunday, and the captains will draft players to their rosters July 8. Reese is averaging 12.4 points and a league-high 12.6 rebounds through 16 games. On paper, that might seem like a slight decline from her rookie numbers of 13.6 points and 13.1 rebounds per game. In reality, Reese has taken a major step forward in her development this season, while adapting to a new role as a playmaking forward who spends a significant amount of time with the ball in her hands. Reese is averaging 3.8 assists, double her rookie average of 1.9. She ranks 19th in the league in assists and 2nd among frontcourt players, percentage points behind the Los Angeles Sparks' Dearica Hamby, 3.82 to 3.81. The shift has come with some growing pains. Reese is 2nd in the league in turnovers, 3.4 per game, behind Clark, 5.9, but she has grown into the on-ball role. That has been most evident over the last 8 games, in which Reese averaged 14.8 points, 13 rebounds and 5 assists while shooting 44.9% from the field. Some things have changed, but Reese's prowess on the boards has remained a reliable constant for the Sky. She averages a league-high 4.3 offensive rebounds, a full rebound per game more than second-place Brianna Jones, 3.3 of the Dream. Reese typically shoulders the toughest defensive assignment, matching up with stars such as Collier and Wilson. Reese is tied for 6th in the league in steals, 1.8, with teammate Ariel Atkins, and ranks 2nd behind the Liberty's Jonquil Jones in defensive rebound percentage, 41.6%.